everyone, this side Malkeet, and we analyze the bank nifty charts on daily basis. So right now you can see on my screen there is a bank nifty chart, and it has already moved a lot, right? It has already completed its 5 ways, and we were expecting a sideways market, a bigger correction. So right now I can see that it's going sideways. So I'm personally, if I would tell you, I'm not trading the bank nifty at this point of time. I'm considering some stocks which are at good levels. So those I'm trading at this time, because we should know that when to stay away from the indexes or when to stay away from the stocks, right? So right now there is a very little movement on the bank nifty charts, right? So not the call, not the calls are increasing, not the puts are increasing. There are very small trades which are going on, right? And as the market has already broken, you can see that it's in the downtrend, right? And it has broken this low, and now it's somehow retesting these levels. So I'm expecting a little downside. If you want to buy it, then you should buy it over here for this trade, right? But I'm not expecting or I'm not trading for these small moves. So what I will do, I will wait for this correction to be complete, right? And once it will be completed, I will be trading. I will be trading on the next move, which could be like this. So here only the people who have who trade on daily basis, this will be the only market where we can make profits, right? So on the sideways market, if we will make the profit, we will lose it, right? So there is no point of trying again and again and giving brokerage to the brokers, right? So what I would recommend you, just wait for some time, right? The market will the bank nifty will complete its correction, and then trade on the upper side, or if it will break to the downside, then I will update the video, right? But right now I'm not expecting that. I'm only looking for this correction to get complete, and then I will be trading on the upper side. So stay connected, right? And if you want to know anything else, you can comment me, or and I will make sure to give a response. Or if you want me to analyze any other stocks, then you can tell me. I will definitely going to analyze it for you. And so market is all about patience. So it tests our patience. We have traded a lot of these moves, right? And this move as well, and this move as well. So at least give some time or give some breathing to the charts, right? So once it will complete its correction, once it will take some rest, then it will go for the next move. So I will going to update you when I will be looking for any buy or sells. Till that time, just I would recommend you, if you are trading on the Malkeet chart, just take small targets or take small stop losses. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.